Good afternoon and welcome to the back garden yard. Today is harvest day. We're gonna go right on out. We're gonna pick some zucchini and some squash, and we're gonna go out and do that right now. Let's go. The beets, as we're going by, they're just about ready. We're going to give them maybe 3 or 4 more days. Cucumbers are doing great. They're up to the top of the fence, and if we look down here, we can find some that are just about ready to pick, but not quite. Well, there we go. There's one right there. Not quite ready to pick though. These are the long Asian cucumbers, and they got to get a little bit bigger, but they're looking nice. Anyway, the purpose of today is to pick the squash and zucchini, so let's get right to it. We'll start over here with the zucchini. And I think we can see in there now. Anyway. I like to clip them. Some people like to twist them, but I think it's rougher on the plant to twist them. So I try to clip them if I can get a good spot. And there we go. Perfect size zucchini. Over here. Another one. And down here. One more. So I got 3 zucchini. Now we're going to look for yellow squash. And once again, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and that's all. These are very young, but they're from a plant that is not very big. So I'm going ahead and taking these off. They'll eat just fine. Then we're going to go to the back and we're going to pick some crookneck squash. Pears are doing fine. And here we are. These are zucchinis. They were planted a little later than those front ones, so they're not bearing yet. They're close. But the crooknecks are bearing well. So let's get in here and pick these crooknecks. Here's one that didn't get pollinated. So even though it didn't get pollinated, it can still be eaten. These little ones are delicious to just cut up and put in the salad. Okay. There's another one over here. And we're going to go on down and look and see if there's any more. Yeah, I see some on the back plant, and I see another one on this plant. You got to get them off, because if you leave them, your plants will quit bearing. Their whole purpose is to get mature squash, make seeds, and they will think they've done. Just put it back here and I'll hold up what I find. Another one of these immature. And take them off. You can tell when you see the bloom is old, and that's as big as it got. And it's not getting any bigger, but you need to get it. Here's one. Okay. And that is it for the crooknecks up here. I've got one more spot that I've got squash. We're going to go check it out. This is the harvest so far. And right in the middle of this cornfield, I had some room, so I planted some more squash. And I'm gonna walk down here and see if there are any ready. All three of these places were planted at different times, so they're all coming in different. These are blooming like crazy, but I don't see any squash on them. Pollinated good, it's not big, but that is it. All right, so we'll take one more look at the whole harvest here. And that's going to be some fine eating right there. Stew that up with some bell peppers, some onions. Oh man, it's going to be good. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. Please subscribe if you like this, because we got a lot more coming in.